Guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm gonna just tell you that how you can increase your views and subscriber easily. Even you have searched in YouTube many times that how to increase your views and subscriber, especially a beginner YouTuber. So everyone want to increase their views and subscriber. So if you follow these guys have posted a lot of videos, you can see here, but by following their steps you're not able to increase your views and subscriber. So that's not your problem. So guys, if you want to really increase views, subscribers, so follow my step. Even I'll show my channel. This is my new channel. You can see in go about. I have joined in 26 April 2018, guys, and you can see I have got a 407 views and 29 subscriber only in a week. So guys, it's good for me. Even you like to increase views and subscribers, so follow my step. You can easily increase your views and subscribers. So guys, go in a Play Store, and search your channel promoter. Okay guys, and download this channel promoter. Guys, you can download this channel promoter here. I have installed already, so I am not installed. It is already in my Android mobile, so I will directly open. So I request you guys to install this app. So guys, now let's see. I will be directed to my page. Here you'll see I've already logged in, so you can log in with your Gmail, and while you log in with Gmail, then you'll see this plus sign. You have to go here and you have to add your channel. So you have to paste your URL of your channel here. Okay guys, so to paste the URL, go in your YouTube and go in your channel, guys, and here if you click right click, then here is a share option. Go in share and this copy link, and go again back and go in a channel promoter and go in add channel, and here paste this link. Okay guys, I've already pasted, so I've already added the channel, so I'll not add again. So guys, by applying my process, you can easily add channel. Now here you can see I have gained a 21 subscriber in only 2 days and 23 views. So guys, this is awesome. Only you need to do this. Discovery channel, you'll see you have to click on Discovery channel, and you have to subscribe. You have to subscribe the channel which is in Discovery channel, and if you'll go Discovery channel, and here you'll see the option interested. So you have to choose your categories. You can choose your categories and apply. So guys, so if you apply this process, you can easily gain subscriber and views. So guys, how was my video? Please like it, share it, and subscribe it. And if you like this video, please comment in the comment box.